Hello, I just came back from Stampin' Up's convention called Onstage, and I'm going to show you a quick video of a card that I did last night. I was just so inspired from being there, I just had to stamp before I went to bed. So I'm going to be using the Humming Along stamp set. And we're going to use the hummingbird. I've already made a mask from a post-it note, and we're going to use lovely lipstick ink. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp it 3 times without re-inking. Okay, first one. And I'm going to mask it off with my mask that I already stamped and cut out. I'm going to stamp it again without re-inking. Two, and then I'm going to move the mask over and stamp it a 3rd time without re-inking. Okay, there are the 3 bird impressions. I'm going to trim this down like a 1/4 of an inch on each side. Not each side. Once on the long side and once on the short side. That makes sense. Okay. And then I'm going to ink the edge with my pad, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap it on the edge to get the slightest lipstick color edge. I like to do that to give some definition, and sometimes it's almost like adding a layer but without any weight of extra cardstock. Okay, and then I'm going to stamp in Memento black the sentiment. Just says thank you. Always want to hold it on there for a few seconds. Okay, and then we're going to layer that on some thick Whisper White card base. Just like that. Okay, so this is a great example of simple stamping. Ink, paper, stamps. That's it. That's all you need. Thanks for watching. Bye.